I'm Kimberley Gaskin. I did MA Fine Art, and I've been working with these little dolls for quite a while now, and I just sort of wanted to see what would happen if I took it really, really big. And a lot of my work is about childhood and play, so the main question that I wanted to follow would be if you could talk to yourself as a child, what that would be and how that could look like visually. They started out when I did my undergraduate here, and I did these abstracted faces in paintings and in different sculptures and things. So they've just slowly developed from one thing to another thing to another thing. And I think it's quite fun to be able to give them a lot of character by you have a very simple shape and you just move the eyes or you move the mouth very slightly to the left or slightly to the right, and they become a totally different character, so that's always really, really fun. It was quite hard to pick actually which one I was going to make into a large one, but the one that I did pick was, I think I just had a weird, I just really liked it. Sometimes you just sort of know which one. For the little ones, it was just a case of bringing a big box of them in here and getting on a really tall ladder and just putting them in places and then standing back and seeing if they worked. I think is sort of that thing that I've been looking at is childhood and play, and it very much felt like I was a kid who was just setting up one of their play sets in their bedroom or something, but just on a crazy large scale, so it was really great.